Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of Oracle database fundamentals. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this training guide has got you covered. First things first, what is Oracle database? Simply put, it is a powerful and widely used relational database management system developed by Oracle Corporation. It allows users to store, organize, and retrieve large amounts of data efficiently. Now, you may be wondering, why is it important to learn about Oracle database? The first thing you need to know is the structure of the database. It consists of tables, which hold the data, and columns, which represent the different types of data. Understanding this structure is essential for efficiently organizing and retrieving data. Next, we have SQL, Structured Query Language. It is the language used to communicate with the database and perform various operations, such as creating tables, inserting data, and retrieving data. Don't worry if you're not familiar with SQL. This training guide will walk you through the basics and get you comfortable with using it. Another important aspect of Oracle database fundamentals is data integrity. This refers to the accuracy, completeness, and consistency of the data within the database. To ensure data integrity, we use constraints, which are rules that define what data can be added to the database. Constraints help maintain the quality of data and prevent errors. Finally, let's talk about backups and recovery. It's crucial to have a backup of your database to avoid losing important data in case of a system failure. This training guide will teach you how to create backups and restore data in case of a disaster. And there you have it, the key insights of Oracle database fundamentals. By understanding the database structure, SQL, data integrity, and backups, you'll have a strong foundation to build upon and advance further in your tech career. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos and stay updated with the latest in the tech world. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.